Hello, guys. Welcome back to the channel. If you want to improve your business writing and communicate more effectively, Grammarly is an essential tool. Today, we'll go over how to use Grammarly for business writing to ensure your emails, reports, and presentations are clear, professional, and error-free. Let's get started. Setting up Grammarly. First, install Grammarly on your preferred platform. Use the Grammarly web app for writing and reviewing documents. Install the browser extension for real-time grammar checks on emails and web-based tools. Download the desktop app or use the Microsoft Word add-in for document editing. 2. Enhancing clarity and tone. Grammarly's AI helps refine your writing by suggesting grammar and spelling corrections to eliminate errors, clarity improvements for concise and impactful communication, tone adjustments to ensure your writing is professional and appropriate for the audience. Cut 3. Customizing suggestions for business writing. Use the business writing mode for reports, emails, and client communication. Set goals based on audience, formality, and tone to receive tailored suggestions. Add industry-specific terminology to Grammarly's dictionary for consistency. 4. Improving team collaboration. Grammarly Business allows teams to maintain a consistent brand voice across all communications, use style guides to enforce company-specific writing standards, integrate with tools like Google Docs, Slack, and Microsoft Teams for seamless collaboration. #5. Reviewing plagiarism and readability. Use Grammarly's Plagiarism Checker to ensure originality in reports and presentations. Analyze readability scores to make content more accessible and engaging. Grammarly is a powerful tool for enhancing business communication, ensuring professionalism, and improving team collaboration. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next one.